Looking for a motorcycle stand that's as reliable as it is easy to use? Whether you're cleaning your chain, doing routine maintenance, or prepping your bike for storage, a sturdy stand can transform the whole experience. This universal aluminum motorcycle stand delivers pro race team performance at a price that works for everyday riders. It's strong, stable, and designed to lift modern sport bikes safely. No hassle, no guesswork. What sets this stand apart is its aircraft-grade aluminum construction. That means you get the perfect balance of strength and lightness. It won't rust or corrode, even if you store it in a humid garage or workshop. Plus, it's light enough to carry and position with ease, but tough enough to support even the heaviest sport bikes without wobbling or tipping. This combination of durability and portability makes it a standout choice for serious riders. Versatility is another key benefit. The stand's paddle arms fit swing arm widths from 9 3/4 inches up to 13 1/2 inches, while the spool arms cover 10 1/4 to 14 1/4 inches. That wide range means it works with a huge variety of motorcycles. Whether you have multiple bikes or plan to upgrade down the road, this stand adapts to your needs, saving you from buying different tools for each ride. Smooth, high-quality wheels make raising and lowering your bike effortless. These wheels hold up under heavy weight and provide precise control, so you can lift your motorcycle without strain or risk. Once up, your bike stays firmly in place, letting you focus on tasks like chain lubrication, tire checks, or a thorough cleaning, without worrying about stability. Beyond performance, the stand looks sharp with a clean, race-inspired design that fits right into any sport bike garage setup. Riders consistently praise its solid build and user-friendly feel. It's a dependable tool that makes regular maintenance quicker and less frustrating, so you spend more time riding and less time wrestling with equipment. If you want a durable, adjustable motorcycle stand that combines style, strength, and ease of use, without overspending, this one's worth a look. Check the product link in the video description to see current availability. And if you're interested in more tools and accessories to keep your bike in top shape, consider subscribing to the channel. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference a quality stand makes.